Good day, everybody. I want to show what this crop of young Nigerian youths can do. How old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
He's 12 years old. How old are you?
14.
He's 14 and
16
years old. So basically, they handle the graphics and our social media platform, and they'll tell you about themselves and what they can do and what they can also do for your company. So, guys.
Hi, my name is Luis Amapore. I am 16 years old. I am using the software Movavi Video Editor Plus. I will be able to edit your products and add some finishings to it, make it good, and be able to post it online for advertisement for people to buy and make use of it. Thank you.
My name is Joshua Obot, and I am helping them to create a website. As you can see, I'm using Visual Studio Code to help them with their websites. It's a very good software that helps to create websites and other platforms that I can post for your company.
Hello, my name is Ugochukwu Emene and I am 12 years old. I am editing a video with Movavi Video Editor Plus. I can make the videos look lively for ads and other things.